Hello friends. Welcome back to my DIY Arts and Crafts channel, Imagination Islands, the go-to destination for all things creative. I am Sneha. Today, I am trying to make a Sacred Eats special craft. Let's see how it turns out. First, I will draw 4 pictures on 16 cm by 17.5 cm art paper. After the drawing is completed, I will add a 1 cm border line around each picture on each art paper. Now, very carefully, using a sharp knife, I will cut out each picture one by one, just as demonstrated in the video. I have cut many long pieces of cardboard and then stuck white paper on top of them. I have stuck each piece of cardboard behind each picture one by one. Then, I have stuck each of those 4 picture frames one by one on top of one after another. To ensure that it looks good from all sides, I have made a frame with cardboard. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. I have also stuck white art paper on the front side and also the outer sides of the frame for a better appearance. Actually, I made a neat special shadow box, which I didn't mention earlier. Exactly for that reason, I have attached a piece of cardboard on the back of this box and cut some portions to create a door, making it easy to open. Because this box is a shadow box, it requires a light to be placed behind it, and that's why I have created that door to operate it. Let's now behold its final stunning appearance.